How to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative online business model that allows individuals to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through their referral. If you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, this beginner's guide will walk you through the key steps to start making money with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Focusing on a specific niche allows you to establish yourself as an authority and effectively target your marketing efforts. 2. Research affiliate programs. Explore reputable affiliate networks and platforms such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Look for products or services that are relevant to your niche and have a good commission structure. 3. Build your online presence. Create a website, blog, or social media platform where you can share valuable content related to your niche. Establishing a strong online presence helps you attract and engage with your target audience. 4. Create quality content. Produce high-quality and informative content that resonates with your audience. Write blog posts, create videos, or host a podcast that provides value and addresses your audience's pain points. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content. 5. Drive traffic to your content. Implement effective strategies to drive traffic to your website or content. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO, techniques, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to increase your visibility and reach. 6. Build an email list. Offer a free resource or incentive to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. This allows you to build a relationship with your audience, promote relevant affiliate products, and nurture leads over time. 7. Promote affiliate products. Strategically promote affiliate products or services through product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, or recommendations. Focus on the value and benefits of the products, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. 8. Monitor and optimize. Regularly analyze your affiliate marketing efforts to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Track your conversions, click-through rates, and earnings. Optimize your strategies based on the data to maximize your income. 9. Build relationships. Engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and email communications. Building trust and relationships with your audience strengthens your credibility and encourages them to purchase through your affiliate links. 10. Stay updated and evolve. Stay up to date with industry trends, changes in affiliate programs, and emerging opportunities. Continuously educate yourself about affiliate marketing strategies and adapt your approach to stay competitive in the market. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to make money online by leveraging your online presence and promoting products or services you believe in. By following these steps, you can start your journey into the world of affiliate marketing and work towards building a sustainable income stream. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but with dedication and a strategic approach, you can achieve your financial goals. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and press bell icon.